In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Akismet on a brand new blog. Akismet is a spam prevention plugin that will help you reduce any kind of spam comments, spam trackbacks on your blog. The way it works is actually pretty smart. It checks the new comments on your site against a huge database from users all around the world of different comments. And if it matches up with any of those, then it will mark it as spam for you. And it's actually really very effective in stopping spam. This is one of the main things that you have to do when you start up a new website. I've been fixing websites where they haven't had this installed and they easily have 10,000 comments waiting to be moderated, and most of them are spam. So this is the one way that you can pretty much stop that straight off the bat. Akismet actually has a few different plans. It's completely free for personal use, but for business use you should be paying $5 a month, which really isn't much for what it gives you. You can buy up to 9 of these professional licenses, or then you can move on to the enterprise. So the enterprise is very good for web developers. If you want to offer this as an extra service to your customers, then this is the way to go. Otherwise, if you just have the one website, maybe 2 websites, then these professional licenses are also an option. Once you log into your dashboard, you come into plugins, installed plugins. Akismet is already in your WordPress installation. It's just not activated. So we come in here and click on activate, and a button comes up saying that you have to activate your Akismet account. So at the moment you probably don't have a key, but if you do happen to have a key from an old website or wherever, then you can always use this option here. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new Akismet key, a username and a password that you're going to remember, and click sign up. It's important to note that you can also install this using a regular WordPress account. So if you already have a WordPress.com account, then you can log in using that also. So we'll insert the URL, and we're going to pick personal for this one. And at the moment I'm going to put 0. If this was a production website, then I would recommend paying it. Why not? Your personal blog, for instance, you can add a little bit of money, and as you can see the little guy gets happier, but right at the moment he's a little bit sad. But this is a tutorial, so I'm not going to start paying for that. Put in your name, and it should create your account and also give you a key to insert into your dashboard. So here's the key. Copy and paste it. So you log into your dashboard again, come down to plugins, Akismet, and this time you click on the already have a key because we just created it. Paste it in and click on save changes. If everything is successful, then you should have a little successfully activated message, as well as everything here should be green and valid. This is basically it. Now that you have this up and running, you don't have to do anything else. Here's a snapshot from my own website to let you see Akismet in action. From down here on the dashboard it says that my Akismet has protected my site from 1,036 spam comments already, and this is in quite a short space of time. That there are 4 comments in my spam queue right now. So as you can see, these are spam comments that Akismet has weeded out. But this works whether you have 20 spam comments or whether you have 10,000. It's just that good. Thank you for watching the tutorial, and I hope you've learnt something, and I hope you get Akismet up and running on your website as soon as possible.